the real issue here is to nab the culprit, the suspects. So now we have done that. The first phase is completed, and now the second phase is just started. And please be patient, wait with us, and I'm very sure all the truth will come out in course of the investigation.
Okay, SIT just didn't go there and look for suspects. SIT went down there with firm evidence and knew who the culprits were. You know, after doing a lot of homework out here, they went there, and with the help of our counterparts, we arrested. It's not that, you know, took a shot in the sky. It was a lot of substantial evidence, a lot of ground spade work was done. See, if we connect the dots, preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed. Because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that. I can tell you now that those three people who had come up with them are the same people, yes. See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days Sonam was underground. People also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced. What I'm going is just by the bare facts of the case. Who's involved out here? Where did she go? That will be just the bare fact. We'll go by the evidence of the case and go by the facts of the matter. Whether, you know, she was in touch with anybody, that will be when the investigation starts properly, when she's brought here.
The alleged boyfriend Raj is also Sonam and Sora, or?
No. What I can see out here is that Sonam also is a prime accused out here. Well, the major challenges was in fact searching the body first, because of the moment they went missing, torrential rain started. The kind of terrain we have out there also is not easy. Then to top it off, like what sir was saying, is we need probably more robust record keeping, CCTVs. We didn't have any of that, so that was very, very challenging. Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from Needrams has indicated that there were two sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front.
Yes, Akash,
Anand and Vishal Singh Chauhan, they came to Shillong.
From the government side, we were so deeply hurt when we saw so many comments made in the social media, in the national news, treated Meghalaya as a den of criminals. So it's really hurt for us. But I just personally take it that, okay, maybe out of emotion, out of desperation, maybe they could not control themselves, then maybe they just talk without any sense at all. But let me tell you one thing, Meghalaya is very safe. Our police force also is one of the best in the country. I think you have seen it, we have proved it. And not only that, I think you remember it correctly, I think 15, 20 years down the line back, you knew it, the militancy, how we handle things. Our police is one of the best. I'm telling you, we don't need army. We don't need any forces from the central government. But we handle it ourselves. I think you have seen it, the history. So therefore, what I would like to appeal to every person in India or outside India, please don't take this news, be it in the social media or in the mainstream of national news and state news, because it is not at all a fact, and Meghalaya is safe. And right now also, I should say, the tourists are flowing into Meghalaya on daily basis, and I'm very sure through this operation, the successful operation made by our police force, will further encourage others to again keep visiting Meghalaya and Shillong.
there are certain people who actually out of this event have actually given very hurtful statements, communal statements against the local people out here. We have taken that into cognizance because there are people from here who are studying outside also. Some people said, let us harm the community from here which is outside. I would like to tell you that we have taken a sumoto case against that person. Another FIR also has come against people who have given false propaganda. I urge, in fact, at this juncture, when we got this, in fact, from the day one only, the narrative from the complainant, from other media also from outside was that, you know, it is that Meghalaya police and the district police was not doing anything. But steadfastly, we did our work. We did our work from day one, searching and investigation also. And in 7 days record time, we had done that. And we had proven it otherwise. Don't make judgments, don't come to conclusions, come to facts from us, then give out. A lot of people were making that speculation, you know, so it was rife with speculation. It was people were spinning yarns about, and that is not right.
Once we bring them to Shillong, I think I would request even the family of Sonam to come, give your statement, justify whether she is innocent or not. I think that is the only issue. So right now, I don't want to say much on this, but I think anybody, not only the relative, anyone who wanted to give the statement, we are open once this investigation starts in Shillong. But nginang penklan susu kaway na ka mechanism ka bangingi ngidon menta kalong ka MRSSA. Ya kani na mangila ay bor haki bor snong haki bor tao kumangong ki hadu ki homestay ki hotel paro ki jakasa ngila ay construction siya paro lani ki trying ki trysem la kalong ha Shillong lani sa bar Shillong ki basawai ba kin penbiang ya ki kot ya ki sla ya ki certificate jong ki tu ki brio ki bawan kadang ba kumo pila dadon kum ki tu ki jaj brio ki bawan la se dak jingmut ka basniu nginyo kam ploy ban kem la ni ban le AA ban yada ya ki jingsdio ko ban jia hadin habun kum ka tu ki jingjia ko piong pia sosun nasyo ban ong bangi hapan a ki jingro ya ka police force ka jogi ka batan hadin kan no ka tu kan por nilayo ban kem ban lawan ra ru ya utu riewsniew shani na ka benta ba ka an kan sim ya karai ka bakadu ang atai ka beneng kong ai ka jubak ka ben ai ka long baka kine ki de kita ki riewsniew kini ki saungut ki bri kem bat sangut bat katu kalok jong u late raja ngilap baki de kini ki riewsniew bat kini ki riewsniew ru ngala ban ong kim de nang ne jylla jongi ki de ki benang te na bat jong ke jylla ka jongi ngatarai kitu ki bekret kitu ki ba iNews lapi ong ka national le la ka north east le ne kat badai le ne haki social media ngatrai ka ne hi kan jubab ya ki ba plan ka ne ka jing jom kerke joki ban ai ka conclusion ban ong ba ke jylla Meghalaya ka di ka pasniu le ne ka bom singan ka bomot maki hi kin sya kenok kala ba pleng ka ne ka bangin le ran kala mangi kum kita ki social media le ne kum kita ki news ki well established news kiba let's say kiba juai ya kata ka kubor syakleng jok rindia jongi nakapor syakapor te kaba arpat ru nakaliang jogi komen ngin sape kumla ongi SP mene kidon katukan ni kiba teng i kiba ka narrative kaba kil ai makikal along with too personal kaba along palat kumni kita ngopi nginem spare ha kaba katukan ni tliki FIR nakaliang jong ka police department kalale